Well, last week when I was talking about the rhubarb in my garden, I promised you I'd be making a strawberry rhubarb dessert in the Instant Pot. So I am trying it. Now, my feeling is about the Instant Pot, a lot of people make things in the Instant Pot that might be just as easy, like let's say in the oven. And to me, this is one of the things. But if it's a hot summer day, it's much nicer not to turn on your oven and get your kitchen hot and use the Instant Pot. So I'm going to try making strawberry rhubarb crisp in the Instant Pot. And this recipe is actually from the Instant Pot recipes, and I'll put a link below. So let's see how it turns out. I've never done it before and it seems easy enough. We'll see how it goes and how it tastes. Now you can either pick some rhubarb from your garden or you can buy it in the frozen section in the store. And we're going to need 2 cups. And so we're just, see, I'm going to cut off that end. It's kind of dried there. Okay, so we're just cutting up little slices here. And we'll be back when we have 2 cups. Now for the strawberry rhubarb mixture, we have a 1/2 cup of flour in here. We're going to put in 1 1/2 cup sugar. And we have 2 cups fresh cut rhubarb. And are these fresh strawberries? No. It's not quite strawberry season here, but they are strawberries I picked last year and froze. They're still a little froze. Now, you're supposed to use sliced strawberries, but this is what I had, so this is what I'm using. And we just want to mix this up really well. I got to mix this flour in completely. So just keep mixing. See the white stuff there? Some more flour on the bottom. And as we mix this, the strawberries will kind of juice up. See it. It's getting pretty good. Now, you want to let this stand for at least 10 minutes, kind of mix everything in. And you can do that while you're making your crumb top. Now it's time to make the crumble on top. In here we have 2 cups flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to add a cup of brown sugar. And we need a teaspoon of salt. Go. And then we need our butter, which has been softened. 1/4 cup, another cup, all out there, another 1/4 cup. Maybe I softened a little too much, but my butter was in the freezer. Now I washed the butter off my hands, and now we just want to mix this up. Cream our butter there. And this recipe is a little different because it's not using oatmeal, which I really like rolled oats used for a topping. But for some reason, my husband doesn't. So, trying this recipe to make him happy without the rolled oats. Both my son's still at home and myself really do like the rolled oats, however. Okay, we'll be back when we have this mixed well. Okay, I used a fork and got it all nice and crumbled. Now we got the Instant Pot plugged in. We're going to turn it to saute. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of water. And then we got to wait until it gets boiling. Well, we definitely got a boil going. Now we're supposed to put our strawberry rhubarb mixture on top of the water. nice juice. And now this is the part that's a little strange. You're supposed to go like that, pack it up, and then crumble it on top. Not sure why we have to pack it. There's another one. Sure seems like it has a lot of topping. Keep going here. So it's going to be a much deeper topping than you would have on a normal strawberry rhubarb crisp. Get it right here on the edges. Try to get it well here. Just seems like an awful lot of topping, but maybe that's what makes it really taste good. Okay, put a little more there. We're almost done. Now we want to put on the lid. Put it on manual. And we only need it, let's see, we need it on high pressure, and we only need it for 25 minutes. Okay, now when it gets done, we're going to do a manual release, and I will be back in, well, it won't be 25 minutes because it will take a little longer to get there, but I'll be back when the timer goes off. Okay, our 25 minutes is up. Now I'm going to, so, never vented, looked like I didn't have a seal. Nope, I got time, just put the lid back on and try again. Pressure it for 25 minutes. And this is what I got. No venting of steam again. My actual rubber seal was just fine. It wasn't blocked from the vent from the inside of the lid. I really didn't know what the problem until I saw that if you don't have enough liquid. So here is a recipe on this site that says a half a cup of water. And obviously that was not enough to seal it. So I kind of have some problems with this recipe. I think way too much topping, half is fine. And I ended up boiling the strawberries and rhubarb concoction, not pressure cooking it. The 15 minutes is up. As you can see, it's kind of solidified. So we'll dish up some. So here it is, all dished up with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now let's do a taste test. Well, here we go. It's so nice and warm. Got a little ice cream. Very rich. Over here. So, very good. I think though it could use about half of the amount of topping. That just seemed excessive for the amount of strawberries and rhubarb. But an easy, quick dessert and a way to enjoy fresh rhubarb and strawberries. So this is my retest. I cleaned out the pot. I put in a couple, maybe about a cup and a half of water. Now let's see. Yeah. So my pot is fine. My problem was the recipe. A half a cup of water is just not enough to give it a seal. And considering this recipe I thought was from the Instant Pot site, I'm really surprised about this fail. But glad to know that my Instant Pot is fine. This is Prepper Potpourri saying, please subscribe, share the knowledge, thumbs up if you like this video. And have you made a dessert in your Instant Pot or strawberry rhubarb crisp? Let me know below.